Hi guys, in today's tutorial we're taking a look at how to create the Solomon's knot stitch. This is also known as the lover's knot or the hailstone stitch. This piece of fabric here is made using all Solomon's knots. And so in my next video I'll show you how to work up any size fabric you want using this stitch. But in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to complete one of these so that you can work with whatever pattern you have. Okay, so let's jump in and see how to do it. To begin, we're going to start by making a slip knot. You do that in whatever way you prefer. Now, some tutorials show you how to begin with a foundation chain where you would work a chain and then begin the Solomon's knot, but I'm going to just show you how to jump right into it. We do need a little bit of a base to get started, and we're going to get that going by chaining 2. And then into the first chain, we're going to single crochet. And this will just be the bottom corner of our work. So now to show you how to do the Solomon's knot, what we're going to do is it's just like a chain, except for you pull up a larger length. So it's almost like you purposefully have really loose tension. And then it is secured with a single crochet. So I've pulled up a lot of extra yarn there, and then going to yarn over and pull through. So that's my very large chain. And then you can see here that there's the back bump of the stitch. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Right here. Right there. So you insert your hook under that back bump, and then you single crochet. So again, pull a little bit of extra length there. You want to be sure to keep it the same for every single stitch that you work. I'm just anchoring the bottom of the stitch here, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through. You can see the back bump there. I insert my hook underneath of it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 to single crochet. And that just holds that really big chain in place. For those of you that might be having trouble seeing, I'm going to show you with a super bulky yarn. You wouldn't normally find this stitch worked with a yarn this big, but I think it helps for demonstration purposes just to see what it looks like. So we're going to start by chaining 2. Into the first chain, we're going to single crochet. Then to work the Solomon's knot, we pull up an extended chain. So again, it's just kind of like having loose tension. We're going to complete the chain by yarning over and pulling through. And then you can see kind of what's happening here. There's the top of the stitch, there's the back. What we're going to do to secure the Solomon's knot is we're going to insert our hook under the back bump, and then we're going to single crochet. So again, we pull up a chain length. Any length of yarn is fine. Your pattern will specify about how long that should be. You do just want to make sure that each one that you're doing is about the same. And then we're going to complete that chain. There's the back bump there, so we're going to insert our hook through that, just underneath of it there. And then we are going to single crochet. So again, pull up about the same length, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook under the back bump, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 to single crochet. So here's what it looks like up close with the big chunky yarn. We've got our single crochet that we started with here, and that's just going to be the corner of our work. Nice little anchor to work off of. And then here is our first Solomon's knot. So a Solomon's knot is the extended chain and then the single crochet to secure it. So that is one stitch.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!